AGB Villa and Resort is the perfect place for our guests to rest, relax, and recharge. Located at biasong, macasandig, Cagayan de Oro. Google Map, AGB Villas and Resort.
Amenities for rooms fully air-conditioned. For bathroom, point 1 a dual pool, 1 kiddie pool, refrigerator, water dispenser, tables and chairs, kitchen, griller, Wi-Fi and 55 inches TV with Netflix, gas stove 200 per 22 hours, unlimited use of videoke, unlimited use of billiards, space for activity, perfect bonding for family, friends, any events and occasion, introductory rate, blessed greeting weekdays, package 16K to 2 hours, good for to 5 pox, exceed pox additional to 100 each, including all amenities, weekend, package 18K to 2 hours, good for 25 pox, exceed pox additional to 100 each, including all amenities. Please don't forget to bring your own utensils and cookwares. We don't provide those because of personal hygiene. Standard time, check-in for PM, check-out to PM. Note, nitrogen monoxide down payment means nitrogen monoxide bookings. Nitrogen monoxide refundable and strictly nitrogen monoxide cancellation. For more inquiries, please follow their page.